what's up guys? It's Sir Condo Man DK here from SMDC International, and for today, may good news ako para sa inyo dahil meron tayong newly launched house and lot project na sobrang affordable for as low as 7,000 pesos per month. Okay, so yung nakikita nyong bahay sa likod, that's only 7,000 pesos per month na no down payment yan. Okay, and ang reservation fee is 20,000 pesos only. Tara, pasukin natin para makita ninyo yung actual deliverables natin. Ayan, so as you can see, okay, yung bahay natin dito, we have yung elegant style ng houses, no? Pero yung presyo is really affordable pa. Okay, so newly launched lang to, like 2-3 days ago lang. Okay, pasukin natin. Okay, so dito, yung magiging parking lot natin, no? Okay. Ayan. And you can still expand yung ano natin, yung house. Pero pasukin natin. Ayan. So ito yung actual deliverables natin. No? As you can see, lalagyan na lang ito ng gamit and konting renovation na lang. So we have yung living area natin dito. Okay, we have yung kitchen. Okay. And of course, 2-story na to. Okay, so aakyat din tayo, pero tingnan natin. So you have yung toilet and bath natin dito. Ayan, so naka-tiles na rin yan, no? Okay, so lalagyan na lang talaga ito ng mga furnitures and appliances. Okay, and of course, we have our dirty kitchen. Okay, dito sa loob. Dito sa labas. Ayan, sige, silipin natin. Okay, so meron pa rin tayo dito. Part of our property pa rin yan. Okay, tara, akyat tayo. Okay. So dito, okay, after tayo dito sa second floor, okay, just imagine for only 7,000 pesos, up and down na to. Okay? Ayan. So, yung 7,000 is payable for 36 months. So, 3 years to pay siya, still under construction pa. Ayan, sige. And dito, actually, pwede yung gawin either 1 bedroom. Gano'n sa kaluwa. Okay, pwedeng 1 bedroom or 2 bedrooms ang ilagay natin dito. Okay, so if you plan naman i-expand pa, no, pwede pa natin i-expand papunta dun sa may parking natin para yung at least 3 bedroom unit. Ayan. Ayan, so just imagine for as low as 7,000 pesos per month, pwede ka na magkaroon ng sarili mong house and lot. Okay, dito, malapit sa Clark International Airport, 14 minutes away lang po yan. So this project is Symphony Homes, okay, from SMDC.